Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. If you are new here, my name is Jess and I create content based around home interiors, lifestyle, cleaning and a little bit of gardening. So if you are interested in that style of content and would like to follow more of the videos that I create, make sure you go and tap that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So before I get started with today's video, I want to share with you that this video is sponsored by Linen Bundle, and I will be sharing some of their beautiful, beautiful bedding in today's video. We are going to be making my bed, I'm going to be trying it out, and I'm just going to talk you through this amazing, amazing brand and the beautiful quality of the bedding that they are creating. So let's have a look at it. Here is my lovely bag of new bedding that has arrived in the post from Linen Bundle. Inside I have got a new duvet cover, a bed sheet and 2 sets of pillows. If I quickly show you what style I went for in the bedding, and then I'm going to get this washed and we're going to put it on the bed together and I will tell you more about the brand. But yeah, this is the pattern that I went for. It's called Grey Stripe. It's really, really beautiful and I'm just so excited to get this on the bed. I thought this was a really like classic design and it would go really well with the look of my bedroom. But Linen Bundle also have so many other different styles of bedding. There's a really cute like grey spot one. They also do lots of different colours. So I will pop a link down in the description below should you wish to go and check them out yourself. But now I feel like it's time to get these in the washing machine, get them dry and get them on my bed.
As you can see, a few hours have passed and the sun is no longer on my side, so you'll have to forgive me for the lighting in this section of the video. But whilst I share me making my bed with this seriously soft sateen bedding, let me tell you more about the brand. The foundation that Linen Bundle is built upon is sleeping better, and they have spent many years ensuring they have crafted the best products they possibly could. They have created the highest quality, super soft luxury sheets to give you the sleep of your dreams, whilst being committed to giving you a beautiful luxury product at an accessible price. The sateen bedding that I am sharing is 500 thread count and made from 100% long staple cotton, and it is also temperature regulating, which is just the dream, right? The cotton is also responsibly sourced and the products are sustainable, as well as being free from harmful chemicals. So by this stage of the day, it has been quite a long one and I was really excited to get the sheets on the bed and just look at how beautiful they are. The sateen gives the duvet a beautiful sheen, and then the white with the contrasting grey stripe like mix and match that I opted for. I was really, really happy with this. It looked perfect in my bedroom. And then it was time to start dressing the rest of the bed. I always like to get my bed beautifully dressed before going in it to sleep, if that makes sense. I just think it gives it that little kind of more enticing feeling at the end of the day. So I popped on a lovely throw and then a blanket to add some texture. Popped on some nice decorative cushions. You may have seen this over on my Instagram already, and it's just an idea on how to make your bed look super cozy, and I feel that for me this really, really works. I finished off with a nice little bit of spray and that's it. That is my beautiful bed, and look how lovely the sheets all work with the bed and the cushions and everything else. It just looks so cozy and comfy and lovely.
It's been a few days since I dressed my bed with the beautiful bedding from Linen Bundle. I wanted to try it out for you guys to give you a really authentic review, and I have to say I absolutely love this bedding. I cannot wait to get into bed in the evening. It's just the most luxurious experience. The sateen within the bed or the bedding just feels so beautiful against your skin. Like it's just like a dream. And the bedding itself, I'm really, really impressed with the quality, because I have found in the past that, you know, you buy new bed sheets, you wash them, and they maybe don't feel as soft as they did before you put them in the washing machine. But these, they actually feel softer than when I got them out of the packaging. They feel so so lovely. And another thing is that they are still really crisp in how they look. So I'll just show you what they're looking like after a few days of use. So here is the pillow that I've been sleeping on every night, and I am honestly like just touching this, it feels so nice. But as you can see, like it's still just as beautiful and crisp as it was before. It's still looking really lovely. As I said at the beginning of this video, I actually ordered the grey stripe and I'm really happy with that choice. I think it looks so smart and stylish, and it just adds that little touch. Like normally I'm a plain white bedding person, but this little grey stripe is just really subtle and it looks beautiful in my bedroom. You can also get lots of other different colours and designs from Linen Bundle. They have so many to choose from. I mix and matched, so I got this grey stripe and then I got white to go on my under pillows and as my bed sheet. And I couldn't be happier with what I chose. Obviously everyone has their own choices, so go and check them out to see what kind of colours or styles you might like. I will pop a link down in the description box below for you should you wish to shop. But yeah, these come with my highest recommendation. I'm really happy, and to be honest, I'm going to have to go and order myself some more because when I take these off, I'm just not going to be able to wait for them to dry to get new ones on. So that's what I'm now going to go and do. But yeah, thank you for tuning in to this video. I really hope you have enjoyed my review of the bedding from Linen Bundle, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Take care. Bye.